Y'all, it is 3:34.
Like I wrote in, how tired you?
Add me. Young boys again. Sane. I'm just really, you bail them out? Bail who out? Boy, start. Um, y'all, I'm just literally, you're moving to Atlanta? Oh, girl, you finna have fun, bitch. I'm just waking up at like 2 o'clock. It's 3:35. I'm just waking up. Y'all, last night was so fun. But I have to stop drinking. I don't want to look old. And I look at my face. Hold on, let me put some of this stuff on my eyes while I'm talking to y'all. Hold on. Wait a second. So you feeling after last night? What, honey? What is you trying to say? Hold on, y'all. We gotta talk, because we gotta talk about these niggas. We gotta talk about these men. Men are like a blessing. Zoe, aren't you a man? Girl, hush. Men are like a blessing, y'all. Y'all know that. This is my eye stuff. It really works good. Men are like a blessing. Friend, what you drink? Child, I drink brown. Hold on. I got shit all on my mouth. Probably slobber. I ain't washed my face. I ain't did nothing, girl. Girl, I ain't done a motherfucking thing. Jesus. Hold on. Okay, so these men, last night, y'all, oh my God, they were so fine. It was that, hey, cousin, girl, cousin, we you must be fourth or fifth, because I know all my first cousins' Instagrams, and I ain't never seen this one. Zoe, the shirt, where is it from? Child, don't get me the line. Hold on, honey, let me get this on my face first, girl, because I don't... Hold on, bitch, give me a minute. Hey, chameleon, bitch, what's T-Whore? Girl, you just a whole actress now, ain't you? Bitch, you just all around. You rapping, you singing, you fucking acting. I said, look at her. Won't God do it? Y'all, I think I'm still a little tipsy, though. It's okay. I gotta stop drinking, though. But them men last night, okay, on the men, because we was talking about men, because they are a blessing from Jesus. So last night, the man was like, Zoe, you want to ride my horse? I wanted to say, what horse is you talking about, nigga? What horse are you talking about? Because at this point, I'ma ride you like a rodeo. I'll tie you like a rodeo. I want to say, nigga, what horses you talking about? But I gotta respect these men. You can't really say stuff like that, because that's disrespectful. Because at least they already they being nice. I mean, you're supposed to be nice to people in general. Fuck what they they sexual preference is, but you still gotta respect people and their boundaries. So in my head, I'm just like, what horse you want me to ride? And I wanted to say it, but I was really holding back all my words, because when I get a little tipsy, I usually say what I'm thinking. Just like when I saw that girl the other day when we was drinking, and I asked her, was she a girl or a boy? That was so rude. I was so drunk, because in my mind, I was thinking it. I was like, in my mind, I said, is she a girl or a boy? So I said, are you a girl or a boy? She said, I'm a girl. I said, oh my God. I said, I'm so sorry. I'm a girl too, though. She said, but I'm a real girl. I said, me too? What the fuck is you trying to say, bitch? I said, bitch, me too? Well, what the fuck is you talking about? You a girl too? A real girl? Girl, me too. Fuck. But yeah, child. And then I don't know. But last night was so fun. Edgewood is the place to go. And I ain't never seen a whole group of niggas. Let's stop saying the word niggas. I've never seen a whole group of men where all of them are fine. It's usually one might be crooked teeth. Not saying if you got crooked teeth you can't be fine, because you could be fine with crooked teeth. But I was just not all they teeth. They pulled the mask down. So fine. They put that mask down. So fine. I said, oh my God. I said lips juicy. Ugh. Teeth straight. Oof. Then they all had on them like you know how like when them cowmen be wearing them shorts, they got them pants, they got to be like tight. Oh God, it was just gripping their balls. I'm looking like he on the horse just sitting legs open because you know they gotta have their legs open and stuff. Eyebrows there. Oh, my eyebrows, girl. So they had to sit on the horse with their legs open. He talking to me and my cousin. Well, really my cousin. He all in her mug because he trying to get her. I was a little jealous though. I was like, ooh, y'all don't understand. Women, y'all got power, girl. Y'all got power. Men got power too, but women know how to mask their emotions. Like, women really low key, high key be horny as hell. Women be horny. They be wanting to say, ooh, let me grab your dick. Let me be on you. I want you. Like, women really be ready. But women know how to mask it and they don't say it. But men will be like, ooh, damn, you fine. You look good. Shawty, what's up? What's going on? And then girls just be like, oh, okay, yeah, what's up? But in their head, child, we undressing you like a motherfucker. Like, we done scanned your whole body from your feet to your ankles, to your dick, to your nose, to your mouth, to your teeth, to your breath. We done undressed you and everything, honey. You don't even know it. Bitch. We done already thought, is it crooked? Is it fat? Is it long? The balls hang longer than the dick? We done did everything. And you don't even know it. And we did it in like 2.3 seconds. Child, we done scanned your whole body. Child. Because when he left, I was like, Star, that dick was fat. She was like, I seen it. I said, I seen it too. I was like, you think he saw us looking? Oh, girl, he probably did see us looking. I don't care. That motherfucker was just thinking, just sitting there. That was on soft, just like a sausage. Like he had a can just, dang, on that horse. Oh, that horse made them men stuff. How does a horse make you fine? Oh, that horse was just, then that other man had a horse. Like, it looked like a stallion. Like, it's supposed to be in a movie with a princess and a king and a queen. Oh, and then the way he was just riding that horse was just prancing. I'm like, look at him and that horse. I said, look at him and that horse. Bitch, I don't even live on a farm or a barn. I would have said, you want to move in with your horse? Somebody said must have been a sock. No, baby, that thing wasn't no sock. I said, shit, your horse could get a room upstairs. I don't even care. He could trot his little happy ass up the steps. That's how fine he was. The horse could have had a room in my house. And then, y'all, I'm so different from like other I don't want to come out because I'm not a celebrity. I'm so different from like social media people and then my friends, they tell me this, not my friend, like not my 9-to-5 friends, but my public figure friends tell me, they be like, Zoe, you don't ever go nowhere with security, or you don't ever like call before time and get you a section or nothing. Like, because when I went out with Tokyo Jets, we went to go eat at this place and they had called before time and we was in this back room and eating private and stuff like that. Even when I go with all of them, they are like, any public figure friend I go with, they're like, you know, they move different. And I don't do that. And it's just, I don't know, like I don't do security, which I could have it, because not even that. I don't know. I like to just feel like, even if I become like hella big, I just don't do that. I don't know. I don't do it. And then people get like a genuine feeling with me. Like, they'll be like, because, like, I don't know. I don't know. It's so different. The butter is gone. It's different because, like, when Saucy Santana came inside Crew last night, like, he had security. He had, like, 20 people with him, and it was just like, and then, like, it's a different, I don't know. It's just different. It's just different. It's different. And, like, so many people have been asked to be my security guards and stuff. It's just different. I think when you do it, like, when you do stuff like that, it makes people idolize you. And I think I don't want to be idolized. I think that's the thing. Personal security was not needed. No, it's crazy because somebody's tried to sneak me once. You know what I'm saying? Like, you never know, like, if people just want to go viral off of beating your ass, or if you know, somebody just want to rob you because they think you got money on you. So it's good to have it, but I just don't do it because I just feel like it makes people idolize you. And I just don't want nobody to idolize me. I want people to fuck with me. You know what I'm saying? It's the difference. I want people to fuck with me like, ooh, Zoe cool, Zoe funny, Zoe this. I don't want them to feel like, ooh, girl, he got all that security. He got this. I don't want to talk to him, girl, because, you know, I don't know. I don't know. But what I will say is people treat you different when you have your security and an entourage. People treat you different. And I get why public figure people do it, because it does. It makes people, it puts you on a different level than other people. When really y'all are all on the same level, it's just you make more money. But it puts you on a different level. And it makes it seem like, I don't know. I saw you at South Lake Mall. You were walking so fast. I didn't even have... Yeah, I be moving. Because I'm telling you once, like, I literally should have security. But, like, I be moving. Because once I stop and one person comes and takes a picture, over with. Like, once I stop and people notice it's me, especially my girl fan, like my girl supporters, it's over with. Because they are, all my girl supporters, they look at me as like, oh, that's my sis, that's my best friend, that's my bitch. And child, over with. I ain't gonna be able to move for a good hour. A good hour. What's up, Zoe? Bitch, where you going? What's up, friend? And then, you know, women, ooh, my girls, they love taking about 60 pictures because we got to find the right one. And it's over with. Over with. It's over with. Because they got to get their right picture. So I'm taking about, and I hate pictures. Like, I hate pictures because I don't think I look the same. Like, and I get it all the time because, like, I don't use filters or anything. I don't use filters. I don't do that because I don't like to go out in public and then when people see you, you don't look like what you putting on Instagram. I don't like that. I don't like that. So that's why I think when people see me in public, they be like, oh my God, Zoe, you look so good in person. Because in person, you get to see the smile in person, the movement, everything. And it just enhances it. But like, yeah. Online, I don't like pictures. My angles be ugly. I don't care. I'm a crybaby, but I pray. I work hard. Yeah, you do. They can catch you slipping. Right. How's Trouble? He good. That's why you always got to look good and be dressed. Child, I will, not me. Baby, I will go out in a t-shirt and some damn pajama pants. One thing about it, as long as your mug look good, that's all that matters. What Jante say? Nelly laughed my ass off. You should have been there like, girl. Jante, never again. Somebody said that's why I take selfies. No, I hate selfies. Especially when like people come up and want to take selfies. No. Ooh, that's the worst thing. That's now for real. If y'all want to take a picture of me, I hate selfies. Don't do selfies with me because when people take selfies, they looking at themselves. They don't be looking at me. And then my neck look like this, and then my nose look wide, and you looking all good in the picture, and I look like a damn milk dud. Ooh, I hate selfies. Ooh, God, I hate selfies. It was so much tension last night. Ooh, who is that? What you mean, friend? Tay, I heard y'all acted up last night, child. Boots. My lips are so dry. Let me put these things on my eyes. Let me get my stuff. Let me get myself together. Y'all, who watching Euphoria last night? I mean, who's watching Euphoria tonight? Because it's coming on. I hope y'all watch it. I gotta get my face together. Let me get my face together. Y'all, I really, God, I wish I was a damn woman. For real. Because it's the things I could accomplish. The things I could accomplish. Like, ooh. Hold on, y'all. I guess y'all can see my daily routine. Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Personality change, about to be a beast. We literally been drinking since Friday. Hello? Y'all look, I pulled the stuff off on this thing. We ain't did nothing that ain't been... Okay, we do everything. Y'all, we are... Oh, my God. We are literally a hot mess. Like, oh, my God. It's just, it's just if I was a bitch. I think this the right way. Oh! I don't even know. Because I think this the wrong way. That way, Zoe. You so stupid. I think I did it the wrong way. Oh, there you go. There you go. Jesus Christ. Did you find out who put that note in your mailbox? Child. No. I didn't. No. Okay. Bitch, you know you drunk when you do this. Look at this, y'all. Let me show you. Look. Oh, my God. I had Doritos. And then I got Boosie. He don't even like me. He don't even like gays. I'm just playing. Yes, he do. And I done got Boosie. Get myself together. Get myself together. Get myself together. Get it together. It's a whole new day in these streets. Hey Google. Hey Google. Play meditation music.
Playing meditation music on Spotify.
Gotta get my chakra. I gotta bring it back. I gotta get it together. Y'all don't understand. I have to get myself back. Because, baby, y'all, these are good. Actually, these are really good. While y'all thinking it's a joke, girl. This one right here, she play no games. And these, oh! I don't want y'all to see my little... Y'all, look, I can't even call mine a penis. It's a pee-pee. I don't even want y'all to see my little pee-pee, girl. But I don't want it because it's cover. Don't be looking at my little pee-pee. Seriously. Oh, I'm sagging? Jesus Christ, what's going on? I'm over here sagging. You know what? That's why you're supposed to lay down with these on. You're supposed to lay down and be chill. I'm on here playing with y'all like a little child. Oh, my God. Sit. Jesus. Hold on. Lay down, though. Fuck! Fuck! Okay. There we go. You're supposed to lay down and just listen to music. But my ass want to get up and act crazy. You can't be doing that. Okay, I think we good. Then I'm going to do my feet. I'm going to do my feet today. Oh, let me put some of my... Oh, I need to do my whole face while I'm playing. 10-year challenge. What y'all saying? Zoe, I'm down over here, girl. I'm dead. I'm ready. Girl, please. Cuss me out. Why?